At this point, we've all heard of different streaming services, either being completely unavailable in the country you live in, or keeping certain content locked. This is mostly due to the crazy licensing rights currently going on with content. But one thing I've never heard of is a device being geo-locked. And I think the ONN Pro may be the first device to do this. I make weekly videos helping people like you save money on streaming services and learning how to optimize their device. If you enjoy this kind of content, hit the subscribe button right down below. ONN has recently pushed an update to their brand new device that aims to add new security patch features and also like small improvements with the volume control on the actual device's speaker. It didn't take people long, however, to find out that the ONN Pro Box will no longer work outside of the United States. As you know, this is an exclusive device to the US. I actually am not sure why, because it's so popular, it seems like something that should be all over the world. But I assume it has something to do with the licensing. There has been numerous reports that ever since this newest update has taken place, whenever you reset your box from scratch, an impassable message will pop up if you're located outside of the United States. Now, the good news is, if you already have your device set up and you update it, you can still continue to use it. However, if you're in Canada like me, and you have to factory reset your device, you can't actually set it up, and that's what we're testing today. So let's see if this is fact or cap. I feel like I'm too old to say that. Okay, so we're gonna try three things here. First, we're gonna do the update and see if it has any effect. Again, I live in Canada, so my IP address shows Canada, obviously, not the United States. Second thing we're gonna do is reset the box and see if I can still set it up and see if this is true. And the third thing we're gonna do is, if it is true, we're gonna try to do the workaround, which I've seen a few people try and talk about. So we're gonna see if that works as well. Let's start with the update. So head to settings and head to the about section, and it's behind my head here, but this is the software update. So we're gonna go ahead and click on that, check for the update, and we're gonna see if it has the most recent one. There it is. Let's download it and hope for the best. Tim Hortons for you Canadians. Steep tea, 2 cream, 1 sugar. Always hits the spot. Okay, so it looks confirmed. I just want to check and make sure that there are no more updates, just to make sure that was the most current one, I'm pretty sure. But it looks like it's still working, so confirmed, pretty much. Okay, we're up to date. So confirmed, it does not brick your system if you live in another country and you update it, for now. That could be a future update. Let's try a factory reset. This is going to be interesting. Hit that subscribe button, guys. I could be completely making this ONN Pro Box completely useless by doing this. I might have to send it to one of my US subscribers. Now, we should be able to get all the way to the step where we set up our internet. Look, they even give you, because it's Google TV, it's even saying English Canada. Canada as your region, but apparently it's not going to work after this. Internet connected? Are we gonna get the message? Come on, what do we got here? It's reading my IP address. What are we seeing? Okay, so we made it this far. Let's enter our email. Okay, this should be it. Let's see if this was fact or cap. I mean, it's looking like it's setting up. The moment of truth, fellas. Is it gonna add the right finishing? Now, I've seen a lot of stuff on people saying this is not working. So, you know, I guess there is a chance that the update hasn't been pushed to my system yet, since this has only been going on for 4 days. But as of right now, updates are up to date. I'm using a Canadian server and I'm still able to connect. So if you guys want to let me know where I'm going wrong here, right now it seems to be working just fine. I will continue to check this out, and we'll come back in the future if I get this message. So we'll try again next week and see if it is indeed bricking it outside of the United States. See you guys later.